All right, Marta and Manny, here we are. We're at the house. This is the master, the original master. It's all being carpeted now, so the carpets are going in. Just tucking it in now. They're behind the door, and the new master, so I can't go in there. Still needs to clean up and such. And I'll show you the front. I'm not going to be able to walk out there, but I'll show you that. But you can see here, we got the tile going down. And he's currently working on the tile outside. I can't step on this tile, but he's working on that. I'll walk out through the garage so you can see that. But it's coming along just nicely. Appliances are all moved in. I didn't even notice that, but so there's the tile. He's diligently working as we speak, so that's coming along. I got the sod guy here. He's doing an estimate for that. Let's go back and look and see how the appliances all look. Appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher, your stove, and the microwave. So it's all coming along rather well. So looking good, looking good.